In this video, we're diving into how to use Creatify to create user-generated content style ads that don't look like they were produced by AI. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you create authentic marketing content with the help of artificial intelligence. Today, you'll learn what makes UGC so effective, how Creatify's AI generates ad creatives, and how to tweak the output to maintain a human feel. If you're a performance marketer or just a small business owner looking to scale your ad production without sacrificing quality, this video is for you. Why UGC matters in advertising. So UGC has dominated social advertising for years now because it feels real. When viewers see a product used by what appears to be a real person, it helps build trust. However, creating high quality UGC content at scale is difficult. You need actors, filming equipment, editing time, and a budget. AI tools like Creatify aim to bridge this gap by generating video ads with lifelike avatars that speak naturally and present your product convincingly. The challenge is avoiding an uncanny, robotic feel. With the right strategy, you can use AI to produce ads that blend seamlessly into social feeds. How Creatify's AdMaker works. Creatify's AdMaker allows you to generate multiple video ads by simply pasting a product link. It analyzes the product page, extracts key details like features, benefits, images, and reviews, and it generates scripts. It then selects or synthesizes an AI avatar to act as the presenter. You can choose from a library of avatars or let the AI pick one that suits your target demographic. The tool also generates voiceovers in various languages and tones. So within minutes, you receive 5 to 10 ad variations. The AdMaker also analyzes trends across platforms, suggesting best practices for hooks, pacing, and call to action placement. Scaling and testing with AdMax. Creatify's AdMax suite goes further by analyzing competitor ads and market trends to suggest creative angles. It can generate dozens of variations of your ad, each with different voiceovers, captions, B-roll clips, and backgrounds. AdMax runs structured creative tests by rotating these elements and provides a performance dashboard with ROAS, CPA, and fatigue data. This helps you identify which creatives perform best and when they start to burn out your audience. Tips for creating authentic looking AI ads. So even though Creatify automates much of the production, authenticity still requires human guidance. Choose the right avatar by matching age, style, and energy to your audience. Avoid avatars that feel overly polished or corporate. Use real product footage whenever possible. Even simple smartphone clips of unboxing or usage add credibility. Creatify can blend real footage with AI-generated scenes for a cohesive story. Write the hook yourself. The first 3 seconds matter most. Start with a real customer pain point or a surprising insight, then let the AI build around it. Control the call to action. Soft CTAs like learn more in the link below often feel more natural than aggressive sales language. But test multiple versions. Run small budget tests and track watch time, click-through rates, and conversions. Patterns will emerge quickly. Edit for pacing. Import the video into an editor and remove any awkward pauses and tighten cuts. Match the pacing to each platform's expectations. Blend AI with real testimonials. Starting with a real customer and transitioning into an AI avatar can significantly boost trust. Avoiding common pitfalls. Many marketers over-automate. When everything is AI generated, ads start to feel repetitive. Rotate avatars and backgrounds frequently to avoid creative fatigue. Inject brand-specific phrases or inside jokes that AI wouldn't naturally generate. Stay current with platform guidelines, adjusting pacing and format for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Example, launching a new coffee grinder. So imagine you're launching a coffee grinder for home baristas. What you do is you paste the product URL into Creatify, which pulls features like ceramic burrs, adjustable grind settings, and an ergonomic organic design. You select an avatar who looks like a millennial coffee enthusiast, and you write your own hook. Something like tired of bitter coffee ruining your morning ritual. The AI builds a video around that line, demonstrating the grinder and ending with a soft CTA. You upload a real clip of someone grinding beans at home. After testing 10 variations on Instagram Reels and TikTok, the ads with real footage outperform those using only AI visuals, reinforcing the importance of authenticity. Enhancing diversity and representation in AI ads. Authentic UGC reflects real people. So choose avatars representing diverse ages, genders, ethnicities, and different body types. Creatify allows you to test different representations easily, review engagement across demographics, and adjust accordingly. Representation isn't just ethical, it improves performance and brand trust. Post-production polish. After generating your AI ad, apply finishing touches in an editor. Color grade any footage to match your brand palette. Add subtitles in your brand font. Include subtle motion graphics to reinforce key points. These details elevate the ad from AI generated to professionally produced while preserving authenticity. Iterative testing and learning. UGC ads are rarely perfect on the first pass. So start with a hypothesis. Generate variations, and run some small tests. Measure watch time, CTR, and conversion rate. Once you find a winner, refine it by changing one element at a time. Maybe the voiceover, the call to action, the avatar, and then retest. This disciplined approach minimizes wasted spend, and it maximizes learning. Collaborating with human creators. Sometimes real people outperform AI, so consider hiring creators to perform scripts generated by Creatify or to improvise based on AI concepts. You can also feature real customers and enhance their footage with Creatify's tools. Mixing AI efficiency with human spontaneity often produces standout ads. Measuring success and scaling winners. When an ad performs consistently, scale it across platforms. Adapt pacing and structure for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even Facebook Stories. Track performance separately by platform. Winning ads don't just generate revenue, they reveal what messaging resonates most with your audience. Beyond ads, community and content strategy. UGC style ads work best within a broader content ecosystem. So pair ads with organic posts, behind the scenes content, testimonials, and educational videos. Encourage your customers to share their own experiences and repurpose the best stories into ads. When ads feel like part of the conversation, not the entire conversation, they perform better. Overcoming creative fatigue. To avoid repetition, pull inspiration from reviews, interviews, competitor ads, and cultural trends. Use Creatify to experiment with new formats like skits, FAQs, or review-based storytelling. Stepping outside your usual formula keeps content fresh and engaging. So Creatify makes it possible to produce UGC-style ads at scale, but results depend on how thoughtfully you use the tool. Blend AI efficiency with human insight. Test relentlessly. Collaborate with creators and build a content ecosystem that feels real. When done right, AI doesn't replace authenticity, it amplifies it. Use Creatify strategically, and you'll create ads that resonate with real people. So if you want to get started with Creatify.ai, we've got a link for you down in the description. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And it's these commissions that really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of different SaaS tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting your productivity. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.